Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset a Windows password using AOMEI Partition Assistant. We've all been there. You forget your Windows login password, or maybe you're helping someone who's locked out of their computer. Instead of reinstalling the entire system or losing important data, you can use AOMEI Partition Assistant to quickly and safely reset the password and regain access. Let's go through the process step by step. Part 1. Create Windows 10 Reset USB. Step 1. Connect a prepared USB to any running computer. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant. In the taskbar, click Tools and Reset Windows Password. Step 2. In the pop-up window, you'll be noted to create a WinPE bootable media. Click Next to move on. Step 3. Here we tick USB boot device. Choose your prepared USB for bootable USB creation and click Proceed. Step 4. Note that the USB flash drive needs to be formatted and all data on it will be wiped. Please back up anything important on it and redo. Part 2. Start to reset Windows 10 password. Step 1. Boot the computer from this bootable USB, and you will see AOMEI Partition Assistant on the screen. Click Reset Password, select the Windows system you would like to operate, and click Next. Step 2. Then select the account you would like to operate, choose a feature. Remove account password, or Reset account password, and click Next. Step 3. Next, a pop-out window lets you set a new password. After you confirm the new password, please click Yes to start the password reset. Now you've learned how to reset your Windows password using AOMEI Partition Assistant. With this tool, you don't have to worry about being locked out of your computer. Your data stays safe, and you can regain access in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.